Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is a short video on the Paint USDT price. One of my subscriber asked me and he requested to do the price prediction of the Paint USDT, and currently it is on the 1105 on the coin market cap with 6,000 people on the watch list. The symbol is Paint and that's the name MurAll, and this is the price right now, 0.0010 dollars, and these are the markets where it is being traded right now: Uniswap, MXC, 1inch, Hub, Bilaxy, QuickSwap, and 1inch exchange as well. So I'm gonna do the prediction on the Paint USDT pair, which is obviously the best to predict the prices. So if we go to the supply, the circulating supply is 38%, which is circulating, and it is 8 billion. So it is a mid-cap coin, because it is a single digit figure on the billion, and the maximum supply is 22 billion. So yeah, we can see the more the supply, the less the price, but once its supply gets 100% and the coin burns, then we can expect a good price in the coming weeks. This is the main thing. The volume is very low. This is hardly 1 million, and 1 million is very low. It is equivalent to approximately, if we go to the Bitcoin, I don't know, maybe we're gonna check it some other time. So here we have, and what are the communities they have? They have the Twitter, and let's take a look at the Twitter. They have, yeah, their account is old, that's good. The more the old account, the good they are. Okay, they have got 10,000 followers, 10.6 followers, and they are active on the community. Yeah, they are posting, they are tweeting daily, so that's a good thing. Okay, so now let's go back to the main thing, why you are here, you have clicked this video. Now let's take a look at the chart. I have already drawn the resistance and the lines and trend lines, so that video can't get more than 10 minutes. I wanted this video to stay as less as possible, so that you guys can understand in short time. So let's take a look. So here we have, I have drawn the resistance here. Okay, why? Because here we have the reasons. We got this rejection here. Let me draw it again. This reason rejection, this rejection, two rejections here. Okay, and also retest back at this level. So I draw this level as a resistance. Okay, now but now it went down. You can see it is like a falling wedge. You see here the price is getting fall bump when pushed up to this resistance, then again went back, tested this trend line, which is acting as a support. This level is acting as a support. Then it rejected from this level, went up, again went down, again it tested this level, again went up, again went down, again at this level it was rejected because it was the base. So now it is consolidating at this area. Sorry for the chart, it is very you see, congested right now. So I'm gonna go to the 4 hour right now. So let's take a look at the mini targets. So here we have, let's take a look at this trend line is going down, you see here, and right now after the breakout of this trend line, it has retested and it has rejected, which is a good thing for the upward movement. You see why the candle is getting down? It is testing this level. Why? Let me show you the reason as well. Let me find the, where is it? Okay, that's it. Okay, you see, this is the region of accumulation. You see here, this is this whole region, this whole rectangular is a region where the price, you see the up wicks many of up wicks, many of down wicks. You see the price consolidated here. You see here consolidated here. You see here consolidations. So it means that neither buyers nor sellers are in control, but somehow the price stayed at this zone with the volume. Sorry guys, this is disturbing. Now with the volume, you see the volume is low here. You see the volume is low. It means the price don't wants to go down. You see, when if you look at in the past, you see, you just look at the bars above this line. Okay, the bars above this line, like this one, this one, this one, this one. You see this one, the line, the bars above this line. You see here, if we see, if we see this downtrend, the price went down. Okay, just take a just let me show you this one I'm talking about. This one, the price went down here. If we look again here, the volume went up. So the volume went up means the price, downward price is supported. Okay, after that the momentum was slowed down in the volume here. It went down, and it means that the price wants to stay there for some time. Okay, what happened after that? If we could have upward volume, you see the volume is there, there were a large volume but in the downward direction. Why? You see here, once it broke down this level, you see this was the support, and when it crossed, it became the resistant, it became the resistance. It was rejected one time, then rejected second time, third time, fourth time, and after the fifth rejection it went down. Okay, it went down and tested, made the new swing low. Okay, and after that it stayed again. If we look here, it stayed again in the accumulation zone here. See here in the accumulation zone, then again the volume rises here again, and again the price, the downward volume was on the cards. You see, then again the price stayed in the accumulation zone but with the low volume. You see, with the low volume, see here, although the price went up, you see here at this region the price went up but the volume was very low. You see what I want you to guys know. You see there here, let me show you with example here. You see here the volume was up here at this point, and what happened that the downward movement was spotted here at this point. See, which I am circulating right now, red one. The volume was up and the downward movement was quick. Here you see, you could have an query in your minds that after this point, why the price moved up but didn't break out through this sports in this through this resistance zone. Why? Because there was very low volume here. You see, the buying volume was very low. Before that, the selling volume was very high. The selling volume was very high. You see here, but the down volume was up volume was very low. Buying volume was very low. See, after that, what happened? The price kept on going down because the buying volume was not supported. And you see here, these bars. Okay, you see these bars. You see here, if you go here, this one, it means the downward volume, the selling volume is more. And again, you see from here, when the price wanted to go up, the volume became very low here, very low. Again the volume rises and the price went down again. You see what I want to let you know, guys. See, so right now, sorry, so right now what's the condition is, after, see, after this area became the consolidation phase here. Okay, and the price is, you see the volume down there is, you see, not very much, not very low, it's touching the line. So it means that they are accumulating. The people are accumulating at this zone, and not a lot of, although you see they are a good selling there, but the volume is very low. It means that here you see, let me show you here, it wanted to go down, but the downward volume was not spotted. So it means that people don't want to go down in this price. This is the base, this has become the support. And it moved up with low volume, it moved down with low volume, up and down, up and down. You see the volume is low, and that's why the price didn't go below this, the low volume, but price didn't go neither upside neither downside, nor downside. But right now, what's the current condition here? If we look at these two bars, you see the volume has just broke out. You see here as these two bars, see the volume, this candle, you see this was the resistance, this was the resistance, okay, this was the resistance, this was the resistance as well, this was the zone basically. This candle broke out through this zone, it went up, okay, it went up and touching this level. Okay, you see here, you see a lot of wicks at this area, making it a very, you see very strong zone, this one a strong zone. The price went up with a good solid volume, and then it went down for the retest. You see the price retested here at this region and was rejected, confirming that this support zone, this resistance which was previously resistance, now has become a support because it was rejected from this level. And now the price should, this candle needs to close above this area, and the next candle should go on the upside so that we can confirm the uptrend. So that's the current situation right now, guys. We need this candle to close above this, otherwise if it closes below this candle, we are going downward. So that's the current situation, guys, for the paint USDT. So that's all, guys. Thank you very much.